this is Karthik. Today I'll be sharing my experience with the GyanPro summer camp. In GyanPro I studied 3 of them: App Lab, Game Lab and even Web Lab Pro. In that I loved all the faculties who taught me the coding of App Lab, Game Lab and Web Lab. And even I got an opportunity to create my own website. Like in Web Lab Pro, I created my own portfolio, and in my Game Lab, I created my own a football game, and in my App Lab, I created a gallery app, which was totally fun with all of them. And thank you so much, GyanPro, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.